Janara and student, in our previous class of computer, chapter first, role of the computer, we will learn about the working of the computer, means how the computer, what the work of the computer. Now next is input, process and output, कि कंप्यूटर किस टाइप से वर्क करता है, यानी इट इज़ ए वर्क ऑन द IPO फॉर्म. IPO मीन्स I means input, P means process and O means output. So student, let us see this video.
1. Input. We enter data or information using the keyboard or a mouse. Entering the data into a computer is called input.
Okay, we enter the data with the help of the keyboard and mouse. यानी these are the इनपुट डिवाइस, यानी जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन या डेटा हम कंप्यूटर को देते हैं वो किसकी हेल्प से देते हैं, विद द हेल्प ऑफ द इनपुट डिवाइस. दैट इनपुट डिवाइसेस आर कीबोर्ड एंड माउस.
Into a computer is called input. Step 2. Process. After entering the data, the CPU performs actions on the data. These actions can be comparing or performing calculations on the data given. The action performed on the data by the CPU is called processing. Step 3. Output. After CPU processes the data given to it, it displays the results. The result displayed on the monitor or on a paper is called output. So, we can say that a computer follows the input, process, output cycle or the IPO cycle.
So student, you have to see that after the input, computer do the process. And how the computer do the process? Which instruction we have to give the computer solve that. First, for example, computer see that instruction is correct or not. If the instruction is correct, the CPU processing on that instruction which we have to given by us. यानी कि जो भी इनपुट मैंने कंप्यूटर को दिया, CPU का वर्क होता है कि उस पे क्या करना, उस इंस्ट्रक्शन पे वर्क करना, यानी प्रोसेस करना, उसको सॉल्व करना. एंड आफ्टर CPU प्रोसेस द डेटा गिवन टू इट डिस्प्ले द रिजल्ट. यानी व्हेन वी हैव टू गिव द इनपुट, द CPU giving do the process, and after CPU process the data given in it display the result. The result display on the monitor screen or the paper is called the output. So student, I hope you understand about the input, process and output. So student, then now recollect the chapter again, revise this chapter again.
Alright Jim, let's recall what we have learnt in this module. A computer is a machine. Input means to enter data given to the computer in the computer. The CPU processes the data given to the computer. The output is the result of processing data.
So student, you can see that what the work of the computer, what is the input device and output device and processing device. I hope you understand about this. So student, please see this video, and if you have any query, then ask me anytime. Thank you so much, and Jan.